McMaster Manufacturing Research Institute, the MMRI, is a technology development site available through the CIT initiative. So the full suite, we would say from atoms to final products, we can support it. There's a lot of opportunities around the critical technologies that have been developed outside of advanced manufacturing. Now taking some of those technologies, implementing them within advanced manufacturing, there's real benefits, and we want to see your company benefiting from that. So in coming to the MMRI, you'd have the opportunity to work on a wide range of milling machines. Then in terms of inspection, we've got coordinate measuring machines. We have equipment that spans from machining right through to additive and polymer processing. Also looking at a wide range of material characterization capabilities. So really understanding your materials, understanding the processes that they run through, data collection to drive AI algorithms, a lot around condition-based monitoring, private 5G networks that we're implementing. There's a lot of improvements around automation and robotics. Those are things that you can implement in your operations. There's a wide range of companies that we work with, but the best ones are really Ontario-based manufacturing companies or companies that actually have technology that feeds into the advanced manufacturing sector. So if you're a company that makes something, we can look at how we would improve those processes that you use. If you've got technology, we can look at validating it and then bring those two together. So we hold events that allow you to meet with our industry partners and be able to highlight the technology that you have to offer, and then also look for opportunities of new technology that you can implement within your facility. To get started, contact an OCI Business Development Manager or a CIT Sector Manager.